Hello, everyone. Welcome to Slow English Learning. I am Sarah, and I am so happy you are joining us today. This is the place where we take our time. We speak slowly and clearly so that you can understand every word. Our goal is to help you build your confidence, one sentence at a time. Today, John and I are going to talk about a very exciting topic. We are talking about the start of the year. It is January. It is a new beginning. We will talk about what people do, how we feel, and our goals for the new year. So find a quiet place, relax, and let's start learning together at a comfortable pace.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. Happy New Year. I am very excited to be here. The start of the year is a great time. It is a fresh start. Many people feel full of energy. They want to do new things. It is also a very good time to practice English. Today, we will learn many simple words about January and new plans.
Exactly, John. A new year is like a new book with empty pages. You can write a good story. Let's start with the first day, January 1st. John, what did you do on the first day of the year?
On January 1st, I woke up late. I was tired from the New Year's Eve party. I stayed in my pajamas. I drank a big cup of coffee. I said Happy New Year to my family. It was a very quiet day.
Happy New Year. That is the most important phrase right now. Let's practice together. Listeners, please repeat after me. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Very good. John, did you eat anything special on the first day?
Yes, in my house, we eat black-eyed peas and greens. People say it brings good luck. I asked my wife, is the food ready?
Is the food ready? That is a great question. Let's repeat that. Is the food ready?
Is the food ready?
And she said, yes, let's eat together. Eating together is a lovely tradition. After eating, many people think about their New Year's resolutions. John, can you explain what a resolution is?
Yes, a resolution is a goal. It is a promise to yourself. You say, this year, I want to do this. For example, this year, I want to exercise more.
I want to exercise more. That is a very common resolution. Let's repeat. I want to exercise more.
I want to exercise more.
Many people go to the gym in January. They want to be healthy. John, do you have a resolution this year?
Yes, I do. My resolution is I want to read more books. I bought 3 new books yesterday. I said to myself, I will read every night.
I will read every night. That is a wonderful goal. Let's repeat. I will read every night.
I will read every night.
What about our listeners? I think many listeners have a resolution about English. They say, I want to speak English fluently.
That is a big goal, but remember, you start with small steps. You can say, I want to learn 5 new words every day.
I want to learn 5 new words every day. Let's repeat. I want to learn 5 new words.
I want to learn 5 new words every day.
Small steps are better than big steps. If you learn 5 words today and 5 words tomorrow, you will soon know many words. John, sometimes people feel sad in January. The holidays are over. The weather is cold. We call this the January blues.
Yes, the January blues. It is cold. It is dark. I say, I miss the sun. But I try to be positive. I turn on the lights. I wear a warm sweater. I say, I am cozy.
I am cozy. That is a nice word. It means warm and comfortable. Let's repeat. I am cozy.
I am cozy.
John, let's talk about the house. Many people clean their house at the start of the year. They throw away old things. They make space for new things. I say, I am cleaning the closet today.
I am cleaning the closet. That is a big job. I asked my son, can you help me clean the garage?
Can you help me? This is a very useful sentence. Let's repeat. Can't you help me?
Can you help me?
And he said, yes, I can help. We feel good when the house is clean. It feels like a fresh start.
It does. Now let's talk about money. At the start of the year, many people want to save money. Maybe they spent too much money on Christmas gifts. I say, I want to save money this month.
I want to save money. Let's repeat. I want to save money.
I want to save money.
You can ask yourself, do I need this before you buy something? It is a good habit. B, let's talk about the weather in January. In many places, it is snowing.
Yes, it is snowing here. I look out the window. I see the white snow. I say, it is beautiful, but it is very cold. I have to shovel the snow.
Shovel the snow. That is hard work. I say, be careful. Do not fall.
I wear my boots. I wear my gloves. I wear my hat. I am ready for the cold. I ask my neighbor, do you need help with your snow?
That is very kind, John. Do you need help? Let's repeat. Do you need help?
Do you need help?
John, let's talk about the calendar. January is the first month, then comes February. We look at the year, we plan our vacations. I ask, where do you want to go this year?
Where do you want to go? I am thinking about the beach. I want to go somewhere warm in July. I say, I want to go to Italy.
I want to go to Italy. That sounds amazing. Let's repeat. I want to go to Italy.
I want to go to Italy.
Planning a trip makes us happy. It gives us something to look forward to. John, I want to talk to our listeners about mistakes. Sometimes at the start of the year, people start a new class. They are afraid of making mistakes.
Oh, please do not be afraid. Mistakes are how we learn. If you don't make mistakes, you don't grow. At Slow English Learning, we love your mistakes. They show that you are trying.
Yes, if you say I goes to the store instead of I go to the store, it is okay. We understand you. The goal is to talk. The goal is to share your thoughts. Do not wait for perfection.
Exactly. Perfection is boring. Progress is exciting. Every time you speak, you win. I say to my students, keep practicing English. You are doing a great job.
Keep practicing English. Let's repeat. Keep practicing English.
Keep practicing English.
You are doing a great job. Let's repeat. You are doing a great job.
You are doing a great job.
John, let's talk about the office. Many people go back to work in January. They see their boss, they see their coworkers, they say, how was your vacation?
How was your vacation? That is a very common question in the office. Let's repeat. How was your vacation?
How was your vacation?
I answer, it was relaxing. I stayed home. Or, it was great. I visited my family.
At work, people talk about the New Year's budget. They talk about new projects. I say, I am ready for a busy year.
I am ready. That is a strong sentence. It shows confidence. Let's repeat. I am ready.
I am ready.
Sarah, let's talk about health. In January, many people eat more salad. They drink more water. I ask myself, did I drink enough water today?
Did I drink enough water? That is a good question for health. Let's repeat. Did I drink enough water?
Did I drink enough water?
I try to drink 8 glasses. It is hard. I also say I want to walk every day.
Walking is good. You can walk and listen to our podcast. That is double progress. You help your body and you help your English.
Laughs. Yes, that is a very smart plan. John, let's talk about the New Year's sales. In January, many stores have low prices. They want people to buy things.
I love sales. I am looking for a new jacket. I see a sign that says 50% off. I say, this is a good price. I ask the clerk, how much is this?
How much is this? This is a very important sentence for shopping. Let's repeat. How much is this?
How much is this?
The clerk says it is $20. I say I will take it.
Shopping in English is fun. You can practice your numbers. You can practice your colors. You can say, I like the blue one. Or, do you have a small size?
Do you have a small size? Let's repeat. Do you have a small size?
Do you have a small size?
John, let's talk about time. In the new year, we want to manage our time better. We use a planner. We write our appointments. I say, I have a meeting at 3 o'clock.
I use my phone. I set an alarm. I say, do not forget the doctor's appointment. I ask my wife, what is our plan for Saturday?
What is our plan? Let's repeat. What is our plan?
What is our plan?
She says, we are visiting the museum. Visiting a museum is a nice thing to do in January. It is warm inside.
I agree. I like looking at paintings. I say, this is very interesting.
John, I want to talk about a very special day in January. For some people, it is Blue Monday. People say it is the saddest day of the year. It is usually the third Monday in January.
Oh, I don't like Blue Monday. I want to change it. I want to call it Happy English Monday.
Laughs. Happy English Monday. I love that. On that day, we should be extra kind. We should say, have a nice day to everyone.
Have a nice day. Let's repeat. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
It is a small sentence, but it makes people smile. John, let's talk about habits. A habit is something you do every day, like brushing your teeth. In the new year, we want good habits.
Yes. A good habit is I will listen to English for 10 minutes. Another good habit is I will write one sentence in English. I say I am building a new habit.
I am building a new habit. Let's repeat. I am building a new habit.
I am building a new habit.
If you do it every day, it becomes easy. You don't have to think about it. It just happens. B, what about the evenings in January? It gets dark very early.
Yes. At 5 o'clock, it is dark. I stay home. I light a candle. I watched a movie. I say I like being at home.
I like to cook soup in the evening. Soup is warm and good for the soul. I ask, would you like some soup?
Would you like some soup? Let's repeat. Would you like some soup?
Would you like some soup?
I answer, yes, please. It smells delicious.
It smells delicious. Let's repeat. It smells delicious.
It smells delicious.
Sarah, we have talked about many things. Let's do a little summary for our listeners.
Okay, today we talked about January 1st. Happy New Year.
We talked about resolutions. I want to exercise. I want to learn English.
We talked about cleaning the house. Can you help me?
We talked about the weather. It is snowing. It is cold.
We talked about work and vacation plans. Where do you want to go?
We talked about health and shopping. How much is this?
And we talked about habits and being positive.
This is a lot of English. Listeners, do not worry if you don't remember everything. You can listen again. Listening many times is the secret to learning.
Yes, your brain is like a sponge. It needs time to soak up the English. Just keep listening. You are doing a wonderful thing for yourself.
I am very proud of our listeners. You are starting the year in the best way. You are investing in your mind.
Investing in your mind. That is a big idea. It means you are giving time to yourself to become better.
Exactly. Don't let anyone judge you. If someone laughs at your accent, ignore them. Your accent is beautiful. It shows you speak another language.
I agree. Be proud. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. It is okay to take your time.
I think we should talk about the outro now. We are near the end of our talk.
Yes, it is time to say goodbye for today, but we have many more episodes for you this year.
Yes, we have many topics. We will talk about family, about food, about travel, and much more.
We want to motivate you. Please practice your English every day. Even 5 minutes is great.
Consistency is the key. It means doing it every day, like a heartbeat.
If you liked our podcast, please subscribe to our channel, Slow English Learning.
It helps us a lot, and please share it with your friends. Let's learn together.
Yes, let's build a big community of confident English speakers.
Thank you so much for your time today. You are a successful learner.
We believe in you. Keep speaking, keep practicing.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode here on Slow English Learning. I hope you enjoyed our conversation and learned some useful new words for the start of your year. Remember, you don't need to hurry. Learning a language is a journey, and it is okay to go slow. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who is also learning. I am Sarah, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Until then, keep practicing, stay positive, and have a wonderful start to your year. Goodbye.